What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. Yeah, you. What's your name again? Yeah, I thought that was your name. Yeah, anyways. So, on today's video we have how to make your Galaxy S10 from Samsung feel a little bit faster. So, the number one thing we want to do is change that launcher. There's nothing wrong with the Samsung One UI launcher now. It's gotten a lot better, but there's better launchers out there, and those launchers that stick to a more traditional pixel-like experience probably give you the best performance. So the launcher that I'm right now using and I absolutely love, I'm pretty much using it on my device, is Rootless Launcher. So how do we get Rootless Launcher? We go to the Play Store, we type in Rootless Launcher, bam, and we install it. Also, what you want to do is, once you install the launcher, you want to go to this what's new area. You want to scroll down and you want to go and download this bridge right here. This bridge is gonna allow you to access the Google Now feed when you swipe right. So just make sure you download that and you install it after you installed your Rootless Launcher. It's gonna create a better experience for you. So let's back out of there. Let's go ahead and open it. Bam, look at that. Look at that. Looks a lot better. This is the Google Now feed right there, as I was explaining to you. Now if you don't swipe right and it's not there, in order for you to activate that Google Now feed after you downloaded the bridge and installed it, is you go to home settings and you need to enable this display Google app, and this is going to allow you to swipe right. This launcher gives you a very pixel-like stock experience, as well as give you some customizations. It allows you to change your theme to dark or light, whichever you like, transparent, automatically, whatever. It allows you to change your icons. Now you can download different icons and change them to the ones you like. As you can see right there, icon packs. And pretty much that's it, but it allows you, and also has your notification dots that nobody likes. Well, I don't want to see dots all over my screen. Come on, dude, I'm not an Apple user. Come on, Google, let's get that. So that's how you work the Rootless Launchers. Very nice, very beautiful. The next thing we want to do is we want to go into settings. We want to go all the way about phone, software information, and you want to click on the build number here, and you want to enable developer options. So that's going to give you the option after you click about 5 or 6, 7 times, I'm not sure, but it'll do a little quick countdown and it'll tell you congratulations, you're now a developer. So we want to back out of there, and you see developer options here. We want to go into developer options. We want to scroll down all the way to animations, and what we want to do is we want to cut down our animations to 0.5x. So we select 0.5x for the transition animation, the animator duration scale 0.5x, and the window animation window scale 0.5x. That's gonna make your phone fly. It's gonna absolutely feel like you have a different phone, even with that animator reducer enabled in the advanced features and the menu settings of this phone. This by far is gonna make it scream. It's gonna seem like it's on like crack or something, dude. This thing is gonna fly, like seriously gonna fly. Another thing what we want to do is we want to disable the edge panels. Now we had an edge panel here. I kind of don't like it. It got in the way, and I think you probably don't like it either. I tried to use it, it didn't work out. It was not a good experience, so I just disabled it. So what you want to do is just go to advanced features, hit search, and just hit edge panel. It's going to bring you to the edge panel menu, and these are some of the options it gives you. I tried a couple of them. I really didn't like them. I even customized it to my liking, and it always got in the way, so I disabled it. So just go ahead and shut it off and you should be just fine. But we do want to scroll down, and we want to enable game launcher. And what this is going to do is create a little game hub for all your games. If you back out of here and we go into our app drawer, this is game launcher right here. So these are all the games that I currently have installed on this device. We have Fortnite, Clash of Clans, PUBG, Clash Royale, Brawl Stars, and Last Day on Earth Survival. It allows you to game without being interrupted. You know, you can silence text messages, calls, or whatever, forward them. But it also boosts up your phone's performance to cater to that game. You're gonna get the best optimal performance out of your phone while in the game launcher while playing these games. So you absolutely want to enable and utilize the game launcher experience on the Galaxy S10. And the fifth and last thing I kind of want to give you is utilize the device care feature on your Galaxy S10. Now, I did not know it had this. I ran into it by mistake. So you have digital well-being. That's a native Pi feature. Now you have device care. So if you go to device care here, you have battery, storage, memory, and security. Now what this does, it lets you know if a app has gone rogue and is draining your battery on the background without you noticing. And what you can do is you can just run it, boom, kill it, and it'll kill that app in the background. And it also gives you your battery usage and all what's utilizing the most out of your battery. And if you go to storage, here under storage, you can clean out, like you said, I can clean 0.375 megabytes. What it does, it looks for trash icons, duplicate files, and stuff like that, and just cleans up the device to optimize your storage, you know, give you more storage available for stuff that you really need. And the memory one is the one that I absolutely like. It clears out RAM memory, so any apps that are right now consuming and hogging up all that RAM, that's gonna boggle your phone down. Under this section here, you can clear them out. You can just wipe them so you can get the most performance out of your phone when utilizing that one app you actually want to use. As right now, I have 4 gigs of RAM being used. Available, I have 3.3. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clear out about 1.2 gigs of RAM. So what this is gonna do is just let it do its thing. It's gonna wipe everything that's utilizing and hogging up my RAM and clear it, bam, and we're done. So device care is a great feature to have on the Galaxy S10, and I think that was put there by Samsung, and good of them, because you can actually utilize this to the best of your ability. It's not that hard to do, but it does help out with maximizing the performance of your phone. And the last thing is the security thing. I don't use that. If you click on there, it tells you to scan your phone, and it's powered by McAfee. You can utilize it, but it's been years, I think, years since I freaking known of anybody getting a virus on their phone. But the possibility's there. Never say never, but I haven't heard of it in a long time. Now that is the 5 things you want to do to make your Samsung Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, and S10e feel faster. All these tricks here and tips apply to all 3 phones across the board. And let me give you a little bonus one. Enable dark theme on everything you can. Facebook, I think Facebook has it, Twitter has it, YouTube has it, Google Messages has it. You can enable dark theme on everything, because what it's gonna do is save you battery on the long run. So even if you go into the settings display and you enable dark theme here, dark mode, it's gonna save you battery on the long run. It's gonna give you longer battery life, and it's gonna just make your phone keep on going throughout the day. Those are the things you want to do to make your Galaxy S10 feel fast. If you have any other tips and tricks that make your phone feel faster that I missed here, make sure you put it down in the comments below so we're aware of that and we can take fully advantage of that tip or trick, whatever it is, or setting or whatever. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.